Alright, let's take a look at the Parkzone mini vapors. I got the bind and fly and the ready to fly here. It's about 8.7 inches wide by 11.75 inches long. It only weighs about 8.6 grams or 0.3 ounces. So with the ready to fly, you get a radio, you get the vapor, you get the charger, AA batteries for the charger and radio, and a little 30 milliamp battery, which is brand new from E-Flight. Very small 1-cell LiPo. And you get the bind and fly, and that comes with just the charger, the AA's for the charger, the 30 milliamp battery, and the mini vapor. As you can tell, it's a very new design, ultra lightweight receiver. And let's take a look inside. Alright, so we have the AA batteries, 30 milliamp battery that comes with it. Very small. You got the charger. It is a different style charger. What it has is a lead to come out to charge it because it is a very small battery. You get the manual in the box, and you get the mini vapor. This is the bind and fly. It's pretty nice. It's very small. There's the AA's next to it. Very lightweight. Alright, so in the ready to fly, you get 8 AA's instead of 4. Charger, little battery, the radio, and the mini vapor. Very nice. Hope you liked the video. Check out my other videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.